Hi, and welcome back to Naseems Accountants. In today's video, we'll help you understand whether you need to show pensions and state benefits on your self-assessment tax return, and how to do it correctly. If you receive taxable state benefits, you'll need to include them on your self-assessment tax return so HMRC can work out how much income tax you owe. However, not all state benefits are taxable. The most common ones that are taxable include the state pension, job seekers allowance, contribution-based employment and support allowance, bereavement allowance, and widowed parents allowance. To see which benefits are taxable, visit gov.uk. There's a full list there. When you're filling in your self-assessment online, go to section 4, fill in your tax return. Then, on page 2 of the Tailor Your Tax Return section, choose Yes when asked. Did you receive any UK pensions, annuities or state benefits? If you receive regular payments from a state pension, you might see a figure already filled in automatically. Make sure to check that figure carefully. You should have received a letter from the Department for Work and Pensions, DWP, confirming your weekly amount. Use the Help About link on screen for guidance on calculating your yearly total. Don't include any one-off state pension lump sum payments here. Those go on the next page. Enter the amount before tax and any tax that's been deducted. Next, enter any other pensions you received, such as occupational or private pensions. You can use your P60 or a statement from your pension provider to get these figures. Then, fill in the boxes for other taxable benefits such as incapacity benefit or job seekers allowance. If you're unsure, the Help About links give clear explanations and show where to find the information you need. And that's it, you've now correctly added your pensions and state benefits to your self-assessment return. For more detailed guidance, visit gov.uk or check out our other helpful videos right here on the Naseems Accountants YouTube channel. Need help completing your tax return or checking what's taxable? Book your free consultation today. Call us on 01217714161 or visit www.naseems.co.uk. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss expert tax advice from Naseems Accountants.